Murdered St. James businessman has been linked to the collapsed Money Loom pyramid scheme.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
Police investigators have found evidence suggesting that 39-year-old businessman Ricardo Hewitt, who was killed in the western city of Montego Bay on Friday, January 18, was involved in an illicit pyramid scheme that collapsed in late 2018. Investigators said that Hewitt, who resided on Ponciana Drive in Pit 4 near Granville, was one of the founders of the scheme, which was quite popular before it collapsed. He was also the chief executive officer of the online shopping website ShoppingJA, which deals in the importation and sale of motor vehicles and other items. Based on our initial investigations, we have learned that Hewitt was one of the main persons behind the pyramid scheme, which operated as the money wheel or money loom, said an investigator. It is alleged that the scheme collapsed in December and several persons lost money. So we are seeking to find out if there is a link between that situation and his death. While many persons boasted about making money from the scheme, which attracted an initial investment of Jamaican $5,000, the people who reportedly joined after November in 2018 did not manage to cash in as the scheme began to fold. We are investigating reports that following the collapse of the scheme, there was a falling out between some of the major players. This story looks as if it is going to be very explosive, as some of the early revelations are quite disturbing. According to police reports, about 4 p.m. on the Friday in question, a group of motorists drove to a section of Fisherman's Beach to purchase fish when they noticed a man sitting motionless around the steering wheel of a silver Nissan Ring Road motor car for a while. They went to investigate and discovered that the man, who was later identified as Hewitt, was slumped and motionless, sitting around the steering wheel. He still had his seatbelt on and blood was on his body. They summoned the police, who discovered that the body had multiple gunshot wounds. Police investigators are also theorizing that his killers also stole his licensed firearm.
Teach them! Hey yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. Teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.